Hi everyone. So welcome to the Tech Gurukul again. So I'm uploading this after a break. So sorry for that. So please do like, subscribe, share with your friends, and please comment if you find something good. If you find something bad, please do comment. So in the Linux series today, we'll see like how to suspend a process, a running process. Sometimes we need to suspend or stop a process, maybe due to memory reason, memory uses reason, or something, some other reason. So basically, we'll see like how to suspend or stop our running process and resume it again. Okay. Okay, so there are two ways basically. So one way is using a kill command. So in the kill command, we have an option called stop and the PID. PID is nothing but the process ID. So basically, the process which you want to stop or suspend, you need to get the PID of that. So you can get it using PS command. Uh, PS-AUX will give you a list of all the processes, and you can get the PID for the process which you want to stop. So in the practical session or the on terminal, we'll see like how to get a process ID. And the second command in the kill command will continue the same process. Suppose we have suspended a process and now we want to resume it or like continue it again. So you can again run this kill hyphen cont or continue with the PID number. Okay. So suppose sometime if you have initiated a process or started any command and you want it to send to the background. In that case, you can use Control Z, press Control Z on your keyboard, and also type this BG. So BG is nothing but background. So once you press Control Z, so the process which is running in foreground will be suspended, and if you run BG, it will send the same process to background, and it will keep on running, and you will get back the terminal, and you can start working. And suppose if you want to bring that process back to foreground, so you can use FG command. You can just type the FG and it will bring that background process to foreground, or background command to foreground. So we'll see this practically in our practical session in some time. So thanks for watching this. Hope this will help you while working efficiently with Linux, and I'll keep on bringing new things whichever I find better. I'll thanks. Please support. So please support me. If you have any query, you can write mail to devedishashwat@gmail.com, or you can also comment on the current video. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and support. Thank you. I've already seen the theory part of this. So we wanted to suspend a process, a running process. So we saw it through kill command and a keyword like Control Z. So let's see. So I have created a simple script, small script. What it will do. So while true, it will run continuously. Echo running process, sleep for 2 seconds, and it will do the process ID, write the process ID to this file. Okay. So let's run this. Such process. Okay. Process. Okay. So this is running. Okay. This one is running. Okay. So let's try Control Z first, then we'll try the kill command. Okay, so we'll press Control Z. So you can see it shows this is stopped. So we can do BG. So this it has been gone to background. Why it's showing that we have not used no hop, so it's displaying it in on the current cell. Okay, so you can continue your running date. You can run your commands. It's not certain. If you pass no hop at the beginning of this command, it will not show you this. Okay. So okay. So suppose, and if you want to bring it back to the foreground, so you can do FG. So wait. So this has come to the foreground. Okay. So and now let's try the shell using kill command. So we'll see PS hyphen AUX grep process. So this is the file name. So this is the shell script which we are running in this. So this both terminal points to the same machine. So you can see server one and server one. So just for clarity, I have started a process in different terminal, and so now what we will do, kill stop, and what is the process ID? 2370 Okay, so we have stopped the process. We can verify it here, so you can see it is stopped. Okay, and now what we'll do, we'll start it again. Okay, which we'll use CONT. Okay, so it would have started. Okay, so you can see that this has been started again. So we can also kill this using kill hyphen 9. You can use hyphen either hyphen 9 or kill command. So 2370. Okay, so this process would have been killed. Okay, so look, it has been killed now. Like this you can work. Okay, thank you for watching.